Greetings, everyone. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating an account and completing KYC verification on Bitget, a top-tier global crypto derivatives exchange. Please follow along with each step at your own convenience. By signing up through the link provided in the video description, you will receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and additional exclusive rewards. For these reasons, I highly encourage you to register using that specific link. First, let's get your account created. Just click the link, and it will take you straight to the Bitget sign-up page. You can use either your email address or your mobile phone number as your login ID. When setting your password, make sure it has at least 8 characters, including an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special symbol. You'll also see a field to enter a referral code. Type in *3 in that field. Using the code *3 ensures you get that 50% fee discount, 20% cashback, and other bonus perks on Bitget. Once you've filled everything out, agree to the terms and conditions listed at the bottom. After that, simply click the Create Account button. Follow the icon sequence in the upper right corner and select the images as prompted. Now, check your email or phone and enter the verification code you received. With that, your Bitget account is officially ready. Second, let's move on to the KYC identity verification step. You'll need to complete this verification to deposit funds, withdraw, and start trading on Bitget. Since we need to do a face scan, it's much easier to use a mobile phone. First, go ahead and install the Bitget app on your smartphone. Once the app is ready, open it up and tap Get Started. Use the same account details you just created on your computer to log in. Tap the Verify button right in the middle of the screen to begin the KYC process. A message will pop up letting you know that it usually takes about 5 minutes. Tap Verify Now at the bottom to keep going. Start by picking your nationality from the list. Then, select the specific country or region where you are currently living. After that, you'll need to choose which ID you want to use for verification. Pick the identification document that you have with you right now. In this guide, I'm going to use a passport as an example. Tap Next to move to the next screen. Get your ID ready. And then tap I'm ready. When it's time to scan the document, choose the Take a Picture option. If you're using a passport, fit the page with your photo and info into the frame and snap the picture. Now, you'll need to do a quick facial recognition scan to verify it's really you. Center your face in the frame and follow the prompts, like nodding your head or blinking. Once that's done, your KYC request has been successfully submitted. The review process normally takes about an hour to finish. As soon as the review is complete, you'll get a notification confirming your status. Finally, let's make your account even safer by enabling two-factor security. Go back to the Bitget website on your PC for this part. Move your mouse over the profile icon at the top right of the page. Select Security from the menu that drops down. We're going to set up 2FA using Google Authenticator. Click the Configure button right next to Google Authenticator. You'll see the Google Authenticator setup page open up. If you haven't already, download the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Go ahead and open the app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the app screen. Then, choose the option to scan a QR code. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code displayed on the Bitget website. Once scanned, a new 6-digit Bitget code will pop up in the app. Now enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Finally, click Submit to wrap up the setup. Now Google Authenticator is active, and your 2FA security is all set. Today, we've covered the entire process of signing up and verifying your Bitget account. Don't forget to register using the link in the description to claim your trading fee discounts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.